Problem 1, simplify this expression. Well, we're going to go ahead and distribute the -2 through to each of these pieces. And then we'll have to distribute this negative sign through to each of those pieces. So let's start here at the beginning. -2 times 2n is -4n. -2 times a -1. Negative times negative is positive, and 2 times 1 is 2. Now distribute the negative sign through. Basically, you're distributing a -1. -1 times 2n would be -2n. And then -1 times -4 would be +4. Personally, I just say, hey, 2n is positive, so I now make it negative. That 4 is negative, so I now make it positive. That's how I distribute the negative through. But technically, we're distributing a -1 through. Now, I need to put together like terms. -4n and -2n together, that gives you -6n. +2 and +4 gives me +6. There's problem 1. Problem 2, a little bit trickier here. Which expression represents 5 less a third of a number? So if you have a number and you have a third of it, you're sort of dividing it by 3 or multiplying by a third. So it says here 5 less. It doesn't say less than. It says 5 less. Less just means subtract. So it's 5 less a third of a number. So it's 5 minus 1/3 n, which in this case is choice A. If it had said 5 less than a third of a number, that would mean a third of the number comes first and then you're taking 5 away from it, which then that would have been choice B. But in this case, it was choice A. And let's evaluate this expression. We're going to plug -2 into that n and also into the n there. So -2 squared, remember to put in parentheses, plus 16 divided by a -2 squared minus 2. All right, what is -2 squared? -2 times -2 is +4. So we have +4 plus 16. On the bottom, a -2 squared. Well, again, -2 times -2 is +4 minus 2. So what do we get? Up top, 20. In the bottom, 4 minus 2 is 2. And 20 divided by 2 is 10.